Now see, the second example is here for you. What is that? Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. As you all know, I recall and I revise how to find out the prime factorization of a number by using LCM and HCF in the previous videos. If anyone didn't watch that videos, go and see this I button and watch the prime factorization concept. Now let us come into our topic. Find the LCM and HCF of 6 and 20. As I told you that there are two easy methods to find out the LCM and HCF of a number. What is that? One is factor tree method and another one is ladder method. Now we are elders, we are 10th class students, so we use ladder method. So what is the ladder method? Write 6 and now in 2 table 6 how many times? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Again here in 3, in which table it is? In 1 table 3 times, in 3 table 1 time. But where we are finding LCM, when we are using ladder method or any method, when finding the prime factorization, we should not mention 1 this side because these are the factors of this particular number. Now write in 3 table 1 time. Now what are the prime factorization of 6? Prime factorization of 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. What is that? 2 into 3. Now what is the next number here? 20. Now write 20 and write arrow mark. Now again ladder method. In 2 table 20 how many times? 10 times. Again in 2 table 5 times. Now what I said? Do not write the 1 this side because 1 is neither prime nor composite. So we should not write 1. Here in 5 table 5 how many times? 1 time. That is what prime factorization of 20 is. What is that? Prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. If you observe, you know the powers concept, square concept. See how many 2's are there? 2 2's are there. So how can you write that? 2 into 2 nothing but 2 square. 2 into 2 nothing but 2 square into 5. This is the prime factorization, how to find the prime factorization of such numbers. Now to come to our question, we have to first what is? Find LCM. LCM in the sense you people know that LCM means what? Nothing but least common multiple. Least common multiple. See, here is the easy trick for you. Easy trick for you. If you observe here, for 6 you have 2 and 3. For 20 you have 2 into 5. First of all, what you have to do? You have to write all the numbers of these two numbers. All the factors of these two numbers. What are that? We have 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Now, if you come to the definition of LCM, least common multiple with the highest powers of the given numbers. Here what are the numbers we have? 2, 3, 5. Here what is the highest power of 2? 2. How many times do we have? 2 times. What is the highest power of 3? 1. What is the highest power of 5? Again 1. So if you multiply these two 2's, 4 into 3 into 5. You know that 4 3's are 12 and 12 5's are 60. So the LCM of 6 and 20 is 60. And this is the LCM. Now HCF is so easy. In the name it has, HCF is nothing but highest common factor. Highest common factor. If you observe the factors of 6, the factors of 20, this is 2 into 3, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 5. If you observe, we have to write the highest common factor in the both. What is the highest common factor here? 2. What is the highest common factor? 2. And these are the HCF and LCM of these 6 and 20.